Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now I'm going to show you how Mum prepares a turkey every year, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. 500 grams of chicken liver. You wash it really well, and then you just chop it up into little pieces. And you get some shallots or some spring onions, chop them all up. And you get some parsley as well. A little bit of olive oil with some onion, and just brown that off. And then you just add your chicken liver. Wash your turkey really well, inside out. And you brown the chicken liver. Well, what she usually does is she sews the neck part closed. Sew it all up so there's no holes. And once you've browned the chicken liver, you add your shallots or your spring onions, a bit of salt and pepper. Now you add some tomato paste, or actually that's tomatoes which have been blended. A bit of oregano. And then you add your rice, and maybe a touch of water as well. Then you put your parsley in. Make sure you mix it all well. So you cook it virtually almost 3/4 of the way. A little bit more water, or you can judge for yourselves if it needs more water or not. And just remember, it's going to be stuffing. Add a little bit more salt and pepper. Of course, taste it to your liking. And of course you fill up your turkey now, stuffing it right in there. And then just sew it up. Put a bit of salt on the skin. Just make sure you rub it in nicely, it goes everywhere. And a bit of pepper as well. Not too many ingredients because the turkey gives out such nice flavour. And then just pour some olive oil over it. Now you get some tomato puree. Now this isn't very strong tomato puree, that's why we're putting a few tablespoons in. Mix it in with a bit of water, then rub it onto the turkey. Add a little bit of water to the base. Cover up and put it in a 220 degree preheated oven. Now it does vary by the size of the turkey how long you leave it in there for. Now obviously you can do it with potatoes or spaghetti. In this case we're doing it with spaghetti. Boil your spaghetti, get your spaghetti nice and al dente. Now with the juice, just put a bit of stock, add a bit more puree into it. Depending on the puree that you have, if it's really strong, you don't need to put any more in. Again, salt, pepper, but you can taste it to your own preference. Add a bit of butter. And then you put your spaghetti in here. And Mum usually puts it in the oven for a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. Don't forget to take the cotton off. Obviously you cut it up the way you want to cut it up, or just leave it as whole and put it in the middle of the table. Make sure you removed all the stuffing. And it's ready to be served. Really, really nice, guys. Try it. I'm sure you'll love it. And that's basically it. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas and safe holidays, and always take care of yourselves. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.